How to navigate your Canvas classes. Every class you take can be found at compasshighschool.instructure.com. On the homepage or dashboard, you can find your classes as tiles, or you can click on the courses icon in the blue sidebar. Make sure you are looking at the correct semester, as older classes may still be on your dashboard. On the homepage of each class, you will be introduced to your teacher and your classwork. On the right side of the screen, you will see a to-do list of upcoming assignments. To the left, you will see 7 tabs: Home, Announcements, Modules, Discussions, Grades, Videos, and Zoom. To view your assignments, click on the Modules tab. Your assignments will be organized into groups called units, which are organized from start to finish. For each day, you will see a daily agenda, which will give you a list of everything you need to accomplish for that class period. Underneath the agenda, you will find each assignment. If you are ever absent and need to review a day's lesson, click on the Videos tab. This will take you to a collection of recordings of the different Zoom meetings for each class period. Another important place to look is the Announcements tab. Here you will find important announcements from your teacher, as well as links to your daily Zoom meetings. You can also find links to the Zoom meetings in the Discussions tab under Pinned Discussions. Make sure you look for the correct class period. You may also be expected to submit discussion posts as part of your assignments. Finally, click on the Grades tab to view your current grades. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see your current percentage grade. Below that, you will see how each assignment type is weighted. Some assignments are worth more than others, so pay close attention to how they will affect your grade. At the center of the screen, you will see a list of every assignment for the class and your score on each assignment. Assignments with a dashed grade have not yet been graded. If you have a question about an assignment, click on the inbox icon in the blue sidebar to send a message. Click the Compose a New Message icon at the top of the screen. In the new window that opens, select the appropriate class from the drop-down menu. Then click on the address book icon and select your teacher. Make sure that in your subject line and in the body of your email, you are very specific about your question. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for your teacher to help you. Click Send when you are ready. Great work, Gators, and thank you for helping to make this a wonderful school year.